What's going on, everyone? Carlos here, and welcome to the Alibaba.com Buyer Guide. Today, we're going to talk about something seriously game-changing for anyone in e-commerce, small business, or sourcing. That's Accio, Alibaba.com's new AI-powered sourcing agent. Look, if you've ever been buried in endless supplier listings, struggling to find that perfect product, you've looked for a smarter, faster way to get the inside scoop on suppliers and market trends, Accio is about to flip the script on how you source. Let's dive right in. All right, you're probably thinking, what the heck is Accio? Fun fact, in Latin, Accio means to summon. In our case, Accio is Alibaba.com's newest AI tool. Think ChatGPT, but for sourcing, built specifically to handle the complexities of B2B product searches and supplier discovery. Accio doesn't just pull random results. Instead, it understands your business needs, applies industry expertise, and can even connect you with verified suppliers on Alibaba.com that match your exact criteria. With Accio, you get faster, more precise, and filtered product searches, a comprehensive list of AI-verified, trusted suppliers, deep insights and resources for smarter business decisions, and it's built for everyone, whether you're a brand new entrepreneur validating your first product idea or a seasoned business owner looking for trusted suppliers. Let me show you how it works. Let's head over to Accio.com and explore the key features. This is your command center. In the middle is the AI search box. This is where all the magic happens. There are two major tasks Accio can perform: product search and business research. Below that, you'll find the user guide, which walks you through all the features plus some inspiration to help you get started. And over here, your search history. Accio keeps track of up to 8 different sourcing threads at a time, so you can switch between them super easy, and everything is saved in one place. You can even rename your search history using this button here to keep yourself super organized as you source. Now, before we get started, here's a pro tip. Make sure to hit the sign in button here and link your Alibaba.com account with your Accio account. This means all the inquiries you send through Accio to suppliers will automatically be linked to your Alibaba.com account. All right, you ready now? Let's take a look at what Accio can do for us with the product search feature. Simply type in the text box, or you can upload an image directly into the search bar and the results page will show you products similar to that image. Kind of like the image search feature we talked about in a previous episode. Let's try a search. Say you're looking for interactive pet toys. Type that into Accio's search bar, and within seconds, you've got thousands of matching products and several levers to filter the products efficiently. But here's where Accio gets really smart. You can modify your query on the go. Accio will refine the search automatically using industry insights to give you better results. It even suggests suppliers who specialize in your niche. Now let's add some filters. We want it to be safe for pets and non-toxic. We want color and logo customization, and we want to filter by verified supplier. Let's hit apply, and voila. Here are your selections within seconds. Now, if these search results are not satisfying enough, we can ask a follow-up question. Maybe we want to see more interactive pet toys that are environmentally friendly and protected by trade assurance. Let's type that in. Accio analyzes, and then we see our products. Let's click on one, and we can see that this supplier is verified, and we can chat with them right now. Remember, all your chats will automatically be saved in the Messenger tab here. Accio even analyzed the market alignment within each category to detect any potential price manipulation or irregularities. It's like having an assistant whose only goal is to get you the best products you need for the best possible price. Now, as we source through these products, we might see a few we really like. We just hit this little heart icon on the products we want to save, and these items will automatically be added to our favorites. Then we navigate to the favorites tab on the left column here, and we can now see inquiries to each supplier for these items. Easy, right? We can run a comparison on each of these products too. Accio will allow you to compare your favorite items by price, MOQ, shipping fee, rating, and a whole lot more. Now let's talk about a game-changing tool for both new and experienced business owners: Accio's business research feature. If you're just starting out, one of the hardest parts about launching a business is figuring out what to sell. Maybe you have a broad idea but aren't sure if it has demand, what the pricing should be, or where to find reliable suppliers. Even if you're already running a business, you might be wondering, should I expand my product line? The answer is yes, you should. What are the latest trends in my industry? How can I source smarter and improve my profit margins? That's where Accio's business research comes in. Most small business owners face 3 major challenges when planning their sourcing strategy. First, unclear product demand. Without solid data, many entrepreneurs rely on guesswork, leading to super risky investments to products that might not sell. Second is a lack of sourcing strategy. Most new business owners make impulsive purchasing decisions without understanding marketing trends. The difficulty in translating ideas to marketable products. You might have a super unique idea or a personal aesthetic that you want to bring to the market, but turning that into a profitable, sourced product is a completely separate challenge entirely. Accio's business research removes the guesswork from these challenges and gives you data-driven insights you can make smarter sourcing decisions with. So let's see it in action. Let's say you're thinking about starting an online store selling smart home gadgets, but you're not sure if it's a good market to enter. Go to Accio.com and select business research. Type in smart home gadgets as your idea. Accio instantly will generate insights showing market demand trends. How popular is this category? Is it growing? Is it declining? Average pricing strategies. What are competitors charging? What's the best price point to maximize profit? Recommend products and suppliers. What specific products should you source? Which manufacturers are the most reliable? Now, instead of relying on gut feelings, trends from social media, or random supplier connections, Accio's business research removes the guesswork from these challenges and gives you data-driven insights so you can make smarter sourcing decisions. As business owners, we're constantly on the move, right? Accio has its own mobile app available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Every function we just discussed is available on the app so you can source like a pro on the go. Last but not least, the new user guide on the homepage is a no-brainer. If you ever feel lost, just click it. It is literally packed with tips to help you master AI sourcing in no time. All right, we've covered a lot today, so let's do a quick recap. Accio is your AI-powered sourcing agent designed to make finding products and suppliers easier, faster, and smarter. Product search saves you hours by narrowing down your search to suppliers that actually match what you're looking for. Business research helps you validate ideas, giving you real market insights you can make confident decisions with. Image search, favorites, and super comparison make it easy to organize and compare products. And with the Accio app, you can source anytime, anywhere, on the go. Now, here's what I want you to do next. Go to Accio.com and try it for yourself. Whether you're launching a new business or optimizing your current one, Accio will help you source smarter and faster. Let me know in the comments what's one product you'd love to source more efficiently. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Alibaba.com buyer guide for more expert tips on sourcing and growing your business. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.